How's everybody's evening? Gotta wait for this 1 hour candle to close though. See if we potentially have demand. What's Trump even saying? I'm assuming it's about the tariffs. Well, I agree with that. Let's get this bag today. Mr. Gino. What up, buddy? Bud. Who we got in here? Good morning, Justin. Good morning, Emily. Good morning, Alexander. Yeah, Alexander. Good morning, Jessica. Woke up with my ear all clogged now.
Sinus.
Bro. Never ending. It's my right ear.
Some medicine.
You excited for Miami? We're gonna meet Terry Crews. Yeah. He's gonna be at the event. I'm gonna make him do the White Chicks song.
Why does he have to do that?
I guess he trades crypto. I don't know. We're going to an OnlyFans event. What you watching today, GD?
Let's just break over this pre-market high. See us move to yesterday's highs, or I think it's really what we have in play right now.
Fire.
All the open gets a break of pre-market low at 675. I'm gonna stop this until like 671.
Fire. Real quick, as always, if you guys could on YouTube, start the day with a like. We got 50 of you in here, 10 likes. Only 20% of you have hit that like button. So again, 2 seconds. Hit the like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Helps a lot with the YouTube algo as well. So again, click that shit. We're above ES pre-market high already. It looks like. Yep. Action is indeed spicy. Do want to watch gold if we get above 48.91. Let's catch a banger today, GD. AMD's the only individual that I care about. It's the only thing that looks good. Plus, it stayed pretty strong yesterday when the market was pulling. There's only one that stayed strong yesterday when the market was pulling.
I like A-Lab too. Start at the
Do you still have that Alienware?
Yeah.
God damn, dude.
old. I mean, it was really expensive when I bought it, but I mean, it's old now.
I've had that shit forever.
Definitely a good purchase. Never went bad. Still works fine. It's just a little slow. Just because it's old. So.
Again, if you guys could, make sure to hit that like button. 70 of you in here, 75 of you in here, and only 20 likes. So we're about like 25%. But again, hit that like button, especially because I live trade on here every single day for free for you guys. Plus, I'm not feeling the best today. I'm kind of congested. I'm coughing again. My ear hurts. So make sure to hit that like button. We got Trump talking right now. Good old Papa Trump. Good morning. If you guys need accounts as well, take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradeify. Make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount code. You act like taking supplements is gonna avoid you from getting sick. I already take supplements. Yeah, I'm thinking about starting that Netflix long-term position. We do have to be comfortable though, like letting it go down into what was it? Quarter. Into like 70. So I mean there's still like $12 a drawdown we could go through, but huh?
What's that look sticker?
NFLX.
Why does it say no symbol found? Oh, there it is.
How's our Boeing doing? I haven't looked at that.
I heard they got a merge with LBJ.
I think they got that what was it? Warner Bros. Or whatever it was.
Let's see. And their announcement increasing content spending fueled by its pursuit of Warner Bros. Discovery Studio streaming assets.
Yeah.
Netflix plans to acquire Warner Bros. Content library.
Let's get this bag. Good morning, Michael. TJ King, good morning. Good morning, good morning. All right, let's get it. A plus setups only. Let's make a bag. We still have, I think, 30 minutes till this demand closes, so yeah. We'll see. We'll come back in 30 minutes, see if we get a good demand zone. Good morning, JC Diaz. Again, if you guys could, make sure to hit that like button. We got 100 of you in here and only 34 likes. Let's see, what is today? Wednesday, pending home sales at 10, GDP tomorrow, and then a bunch of delayed reports, PC. Go. Hit that like button. AMD is ripping. Ripper off the open. I do want to watch it for uptrend entry. Yeah. Maybe if we can get like more strength than I'd say like 243 and then a pullback into yesterday's high. I'd be interested. And then we can watch the possibly the 242.5s. They're mad expensive though. Good shit, CP. What you guys watching on YouTube? Anything good? Any good setups y'all got? Is Trump still speaking? Does anybody know? Getting the retest here on AMD. Yes, all right. Not my favorite on this AMD right here. Yeah. I mean, that was a while ago that he talked about that.
A lot of things popped up. Candle.
Thinking this AMD is a no-go. It's looking pretty bearish. Yeah, we're taking out that level, so never mind. Nothing on AMD. Watching Brandon Trades, that's a good answer. Good answer. Remember, if you guys ever have questions while we're trading, feel free to ask. As long as there's like no good setups and I'm not super focused on the charts, I answer questions.
Google.
So Google looks good. Let's see. Amazon. Everything looks like shit.
Google's really holding on the market. Let's see. This AMD's holding. Such a fire.
I have a feeling it's going to be a tricky day, to be honest. We do have news at 10, so I'm probably going to chill till 10. But, you know, if we see something good, I'll take it. You're going to get paid with patience. There we go. Paid with patience. Oh, I'm tired. I didn't get my caffeine in me this morning. Remember, if you guys need them, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, all got fat discounts right now. So if you guys use any of those firms, make sure to use discount code Brandon. Apex is 80% off. I believe that expires tomorrow. TPT 40% off, no activation fee. Tradeify 40% off as well. What's up, fool? I'm singing to myself. That's how I pump myself up for the day. Yeah. We got news at 10, so I kind of have low expectations till then. Oh, yeah. Should I go get a monster? Or should I take pre-workout when I go to the gym? Well, you give me an answer.
I told you what to do last time. So,
I don't remember.
good news to send stocks up. How it should be. Trump.
Did you see J-Nug? J-Nug. It's like a leveraged gold. Look how much that shit's up this year. Or last year, I should say. JNUG.
J-Nug.
Bro, it went a year ago, it went from like 40 to 300.
Holy shit.
Should have just bought that instead of gold.
It's actually considerably still very cheap to where it was.
Let's see. Oh. I don't think it was that high. Only issue is if you buy it and gold starts to pull back, you're gonna get slaughtered.
It was flat for 2020, just 2025. 5 years. It was flat.
Yeah, it just follows gold.
I was gold flat for 5 years.
That's what it does. It runs in cycles of like 10 to 15 years. 10 to 15 years of consolidation, 2 to 3 years of breakout. And then it repeats it again. $15 so we can see if this demand's valid.
Still all easy minis to the upside. And DS strength still.
All right, then. I'm going to go get a monster. So I will be back in 2 minutes. Hold on. White monster secured. Let's get this shit. Let's get this bag. Intel's up 7%. Damn. We got earnings next week, or actually tomorrow.
Sharp's doing a video now. Like,
Yes.
keep seeing things come out.
You know, well, sorry I don't have any ghosts. How about that? I got monster, I don't got ghost. I'll buy ghost next time. I will say ghost tastes way better. My fucking ear is hurting though. It's like all clogged up. It feels like there's water in it. Obviously, there is no water. And I kind of feel it like shooting in the back of my ear. mean, as far as structure on ES, it looks bullish. It looks like it wants a new high day, but obviously there's no, this isn't confirmation.
With strength test.
Also, if you guys haven't signed up for the free webinar that I'm doing obviously a free webinar next Monday. So make sure you guys tap in. I'll post the link right here. Free webinar next Monday. If you can't make it, it will be recorded and sent to your email as well. But definitely, absolutely, bare minimum, sign up. Whether you can make it or not, that is the link right there. There's 110 of you, so I better see a lot of you signing up for it. Again, it's completely free. If you want to learn how Brandon trades, that's how you're going to do it. Join that webinar. ES and NQ both are looking pretty bullish. Still got 13 minutes, but I think that demand zone will form. Yeah, I wanted to not confirm my setup and then push. Give me a trade, bruh.
There's nothing.
Come on. I need to make money, bro. I'm broke. The Dow is fucking nuking. The Dow and the Russell. Nah, Gene's the cheap one right now. It's not me.
Just remember that we have one more candle that continues here. We will have a gap formed. You already tested the market high as of now, though. EQ still remains underneath, but continue to push up. We'll have this gap. Retest.
10 more minutes till news. Everybody on YouTube. It's kind of what I'm waiting for, is to get that news out of the way.
Sort of fighting this free market QQQ. So we get over top of that on both. Outside should look really good.
We're at the pre-market high on NQ. We're trying to get above it now. Well, maybe I should have just listened to myself and ripped it. even though it's not my kind of setup because we be up 55, 15 points. It's actually kind of crazy. That doesn't look like a lot, but that's 15 points right there. So we definitely got a lot of volatility in the market. I think GD does. I do 0 DT though. Did you see they're adding that for like Tesla, Apple, all that? Monday, Wednesday, Friday expirations.
I just don't like trading them. I'd rather pay more money for more time, less decay.
I like to be a degenerate and just rip that shit.
We close here. See it pull back. I'm taking longs. Watch this 10 o'clock news is really probably gonna mess us up.
Yup. Actually surprised we don't have a supply zone formed from yesterday. I find that hard to believe. So I'm just double checking right now on my other monitor. So 130. Yeah, I mean we literally don't, which is crazy. With that flush yesterday, we didn't even make supply. Weird. I mean, yeah, really the game plan for me right now is just potential uptrend entry. I mean, that's really all I see. It'd be like that sometimes. Stuzen, I think's how you say it. Again, if you guys could, though, in the YouTube live stream, make sure to hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got, let's see, 110 of you in here, I think, and 65 likes. So make sure you guys hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Make sure you guys just keep on joining these live streams. Every day, they're free. All you gotta do is join. All right, what is this? We're gonna switch over to NQ. I'm starting to like that more. Broke above this previous high. Like to see a little more strength with this, and then maybe a pullback into the previous high.
Right, can't close. We have a cap up there. Good look for the retest. On SPY, the way it's formed out looks better on SPY than QQQ. So we will watch for price to move back down into this 680, 50 area. It will probably move down here in a format drops. Or it doesn't retest.
I like if we rip a little more and then we retest that previous high.
QQQ doesn't have a gap. One gap. The only gap it has is right here. Which is a little small and it doesn't align as well with pre-market high as SPY does. Now, if this candle closes again on QQQ, we'll have a gap here. Therefore, that looks good, right? So,
Bro, look at AMD. What the fuck?
straight nuke.
Yes, sir.
Same thing with Eli Lilly. Just nukes. Price target, just its price target. D.
Okay, we're definitely getting this 1 hour demand.
One.
Yes, I gotta check if we get it on NQ. It's all the way down to 60.32 though. And then yes, we have it on NQ. Yeah, I like if we close bullish one more time, and then we could pull back into this previous high at 258 to 25246. Just straight boner candles.
Bro. Pre-market high retest. See, that's the only issue when you wait for gaps, is that sometimes you miss the move.
1 minute.
Same page, really starting to go now.
Just gotta stay patient, everybody. Watching this level right here.
Watch for reject.
No. Pull back for longs.
Yeah, now setup would be able to QQQ. Looking for this reject down to this gap, 610. If we can get there, if not, we're gonna push higher. Probably get up to the 614.70 to 615 area. That's where I have yesterday's highs, obviously, 615. So
Be interested on AMD pulling back too to like 242.15. Give us the pullback. You guys catch anything on YouTube yet? Anybody? Anybody in the YouTube? God damn it. Give us the pullback. Come on. Nobody's taking trades yet? Caught an AMD over previous day high. Nice. So you're banking. Dinner's on you, fool.
Pullback right here. Little pullback. Oh, what?
Nah, not happening. We don't get those.
Note to self. Let's just take pre-market high retest next time. Or pre-market low.
Really want this AMD to pull back to 242. I'd really like that. QQQ on the pullback. Nice. Again, if we pull back into this 258, I'm looking for longs. What's he talking about now? Good shit. Caden, I think that's how you say it.
National security.
Good shit.
So he says something else. He says U.S. buying Greenland would be a great block for Europe. German government rejects joining Trump's war of peace. Like I said, the only thing I see is looking for a retest down here for loans. Or if we continue higher from here, we can look for a sweep of these highs. Sweep of these highs, and then maybe look for a reversal down.
Again, if you guys need them,
Or even the break.
Apex, TPT, Tradify, make sure to use discount code Brandon. Apex is 80% off. I think it expires tomorrow. TPT 40% off. No activation fee. Tradify 40% off. So again, if you guys use Apex, TPT, Tradify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. But still waiting for this pullback right here. Anywhere from the 8 EMA to this level right here is what I like. If we get it.
Let's see, the individuals.
Make it pull back, GD.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me do that real quick.
Bet. Thank you. About to start scrolling. This price action is getting boring. Just give us a pullback. Your strategy of market pre-open highs, lows, waiting for the retest confirmation was good shit. It's supposed to snow tomorrow, I think. Let's see. Damn, it's gonna get cold for the first time in Colorado, I think, this year. It's about to get super cold. 3 degrees, 1 degrees. That's crazy. 8 degrees. Is this going to be the pullback, though? That's the question. Or is it teasing us? Are we about to get it? Or is the market messing with us?
I think we're gonna get it.
I haven't lived in Maryland in like a year and a half. Moved a while ago. They're about to get like 20 inches of snow, though. Which is crazy. We haven't even gotten that much in Colorado this year. Come on, pull back for us.
Come on.
You know, as much as I want to believe that it's going to, I have very low hopes. I'd be happy. Okay. It's a good start. Trump is done.
No. I know where to gap higher. I mean, we just want to see a little lower. I mean, you could try, for sure. Just have your stop loss underneath that gap. If you're willing to add a 50% bill underneath it.
We're gonna get it. Gotta stay patient, everybody. As much as this shit sucks, we gotta stay patient and wait for the level. If we get it, cool. If the market nukes without us, you know, so be it. Come on. Is it gonna happen?
Time to look for a sweep of the eyes.
Bruh. We're watching QQQ, I believe. That's what GD's watching. I'm watching NQ.
Huge.
Bruh. Did you hear it? It's coming. Banger incoming today, no.
And no way you can convince me that you don't know where that's coming from. But
GD. I've literally opened my task manager. My stream deck is not fucking plugged in. I have no clue where this is coming from. You can come to my house and you, of course, it sets a new high day. You can come to my house and trade with me and you'll see.
it's the questions asked. Get it out
Might be a no trade Wednesday. We'll see. Bruh.
I told you that was coming.
This is the kind of day we're having, I guess.
Just the reality of the fact that gap was going to get respected.
Guess we could see what happens at yesterday's high if we get up there on ES. Same zone we rejected yesterday. It's at like 69.03, so another 13 points.
I mean, I was interested, but my issue is that, you know, if you were taking on this gap and it falls down towards this pre-market level, you're either going to have to add, stop, and then, you know, take another trade. High probability we just dropped a little more.
Still waiting for a trade, everybody.
You do take this gap, it's going to fall through.
No FOMO.
Reclaim this one, you're going to get to a position that you don't want to be. Stop it off. Just wait for it to validate this one. You see higher.
Google's ripping higher. Bro. Meta. Looked at Amazon. I guess silver. See what's going on there. Silver's dumping. The Dow has just been nuking all day. That's probably what's taking the market with it. I'm assuming Russell's probably pumping too. Yeah. Russell's pumping. I don't really see a whole lot, to be honest. Let's see what Boeing's up to. Yeah. I mean, really, I'd still be interested if we pulled back into this previous high. Obviously, it's not ideal that we went and set a new high a day, but maybe a pullback into that previous 5 minute, or sorry, what is this? The pre-market high, down to this other pre-market high, which is here. So maybe we'll see. And then AMD, if it were to pull back to like 242, then I'd be interested. But again, just gotta stay patient. Patience will pay. We stayed patient yesterday and called 2 beautiful trades. So let's do it again today. The market offers us a setup, cool. If not, you know, we move on and we wait till tomorrow.
Huge!
Bro.
Is that the only thing it says? Is that gonna do?
That's the only thing. And then it makes like a little sound after it. Not really liking the setup on SPY. It already retested that previous high, so it's really only QQQ that has left that area unfilled. Let's see if we can get that level. See if we can get it. I would be the happiest person if we can go into 258. Again, you guys got any questions while we're just chilling here on YouTube? Anybody? Feel free to ask. Any questions at all while we're chilling? Again, if you guys haven't signed up for the free webinar, make sure you do. Here's the link right here again. Completely free webinar next Monday. Make sure you guys tap it. But like I said, in the meantime, any questions, feel free to ask. Because I'm not really seeing a whole lot until we get down into 258. Just riding that ADMA though, both on ES and NQ. Yep, typically 9:30 New York to like 11, maybe 11:30, but usually the first hour and a half is what I trade. Just trending and following this ADMA today. Do you think SPY will continue to make a new hour today? What do you mean? A new hour, yeah. In 35 minutes, yes. Guys, take anything else, Team Bull? Or is everybody still just chilling? Nah, shit. I feel that. Waiting, chilling, nice. Trend days are my least favorite to trade. When we just get no pullbacks, that shit sucks. Yeah, I still trade options.
The worst is that you get micro pullbacks that, you know, if you wanted to try them, you just want a little more.
Facts. Like AMD is never going to give me my pullback. Ugh. Tesla's just nuking. Yeah.
Fine, we'll dip back up. Let's see it. Let's see where the daily sit.
What's up, Ashley? Are you waiting for a pullback? Yeah. I'm not buying it up here, that's for sure. Because where's our stop, right? Where would it be? Is there even a setup here? No, absolutely not. So I'm not just going to blindly enter long because we're trending up. Always need at least like a good setup to trade. That's had some success, but mostly break-even months are slightly red. Will help to get over that. Well, you got to identify why are you having break-even months? You know, are you doing good and then you're blowing it all at the end of the month or at the end of the week? You know, are you over trading? Are you taking more trades than you're supposed to? Are you forcing trades? There's a number of reasons why you could be break-even or slightly red. So you just got to identify what those issues are and then fix those issues.
These highs were obviously this high would be nice. So equity plus percent.
Giving this market 30 more minutes, but currently we're just trending up, and I hate slow trend ups. Slow trends up. There we go. Can't believe that AMD never pulled back either. New highs. My hand wasn't even on the mouse for that one, GD. No. That would be you would hear it probably like 100 times then. We'll say though, odds are looking pretty low that I take a trade. Still want to give the market 30 more minutes. Obviously that could change, but I think so. I mean, that's my previously marked supply zone. I'll watch it if we get there for a reject. But that's all I got. Just grinding higher. 10 more points until we're in ES supply, though. Usually reversals are going to happen at key levels. We have no key levels as far as rejects. So the market is typically just going to trade from one key level to the next. So that's how you know. Watch this ES. 6904 to 6905. Just a crazy push up.
See, like 40 more, 50 more cents. We could have just read the longs and we could have just fantastic work. It's alright though.
You have a lot of sellers up here. But I'm on my zone.
This area. This is a really important area of confluence because it was yesterday's high and also a previous New York session low. So definitely an area of confluence. We could obviously with the strength that we have, we could end up pushing higher and retesting it. That's one possibility. the other possibility that we have is that we sweep it. We pop up here, a lot of orders can go, we reclaim back below it, and we start to reverse the trend a little bit. It could be something that we do as well. So definitely important area to watch. And if anything, just to learn from, because this is an important area. As we see the chart, it shows us that support, then resistance. So let's see what it is today.
I am watching potential shorts here. I'm gonna give it a lighter go here. I'm gonna try it. Lighter go right here on MES shorts. It's just we've literally nuked up all day into this previous high, which was also supply yesterday. And it's the same trade that we took, and we're starting to reject off of it. We have the sellers stacked up here. So again, lighter size, just given that we are trending up, pretty heavy today. And that we already tested the zone. But I feel like if we're going to reject anywhere, this is the place to watch. So want to give it a try. If it doesn't work out, doesn't work out. If it does, awesome. So would like to see about like 92 for the first trim, like 92, 91, give or take. But yeah, let's see.
Well, guys, I'll be watching this area, but I want to head out from there. I have some things to do. I know we're going to stay in a little bit longer. So see you guys tomorrow. Stay patient, and we're going to some good trades.
Yes, sir.
Takes us long to go. Good trade.
Still got these sellers here. Not a whole lot of buyers. So again, we'll see if you guys want a better risk to reward. It would be up here. but our stop is above 69.05 on this. Again, lighter size in correspondence to yesterday. I like that previous 5-minute candle though. Looked really good. And Q's about to trade up into yesterday's high. There might be that possibility for an ad. Maybe. Oh. The fuck? I'm sitting here talking to you guys and I'm muted. Bruh. I've been in MES shorts. Off of this reject level from yesterday. So if you guys want to take them here, you have a better entry than me. It's lighter size. But this really the only area I see us rejecting, and our stop is above 69.05. So if you guys want to take it with me, feel free. Same thought process as yesterday. We grinded up really high, very quick. And this is still the only supply zone that I see. It's lighter size because we've already tested it. I typically don't like to trade it more than once, but we also have that confluence of yesterday's previous high. So it is way lighter size. If it works out, cool. If not, it's a small loss. Yeah, I tried a small size of MES shorts. And if we get above 05, I'll get out. Which it looks like we might do. Yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this loss. I'm out. Gonna go ahead and take this loss. Getting above that reject zone. So, that's really the only area that I saw. We're at that opening gap on NQ, that opening weekly gap. But take this small loss for now. Looks like we're going to get above that level. Took out these sellers right here. So, like I said, that's really the only spot that I saw us potentially rejecting. And now we're trying to get above that SPY daily gap as well, which that supply zone lined up with. Risk reward made sense, but again, we'll see if the market gives us another potential entry. If it rejects hard on the 5-minute and we fall back down below 69.04, you know, I'd potentially be interested again. Gotta wait for this 5-minute candle though. We'll see. 2 more minutes. But we already took out all those sellers, which is not ideal. You can see it was a pretty thick area of selling going up into these levels. Yeah. AMD's really just pushing the market today. See if we fail 04. We had nice volume on that 5-minute candle as well for that potential reject. Rejected right off that 04 yesterday. It's close. Closed like right at it. NQ's above that gap though. I like the volume elevation. I like that upper wick. I'm actually probably going to stick around a little longer today. Like 9:15 to 9:30, give or take. Looks like it's getting above it. Guess we could watch the 15-minute. See how that candle closes. That's really overextended. Literally no pullback all day on the 15. So I guess we can see if we fail this 0425 on the 15. Just gotta give it like 8 more minutes. Hopefully it doesn't reject before that 15-minute candle close. It invalidated the setup. And we had to stop out, so. I still feel like if we're going to reject, though, it is like in this area. Unless we start holding above these daily gaps. If that's the case, then obviously upside. But we're not holding above them yet. I think QQQ is, but everything else isn't. Yeah, looks like we're going to get above it now. Damn. All right. I'll be back in a second. Like I said, I'll stick around till like 9:15, 9:30. So I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I am back. Damn, AMD's up 8% today. Is Zoom chat working? Can you guys hear me? Zoom, hello? All right, bet. Bet. This 15 minutes still could potentially confirm. Got 3 more minutes to see if it does. These trend updates suck. Two more minutes. See how this candle closes. Worst case scenario, I lose 120 bucks today. Times 5, whatever that equals. 20 times 5. 600. Spread across 5 accounts. They're trying. Close it right above it again. Not really a big fan of this 15-minute then. Would prefer it if we close below 04. Now watch, they're going to pull it back anyway. I mean, it's going up off of that light 15-minute volume. Bruh. I think it was a 45-minute supply from yesterday. But again, it lined up with that previous day high, which is why I liked it originally. But we got above, or like, we're above it. We traded above it on the 5-minute, but we're failing it on the 15. So, I don't know. And it's also like I'm not interested in trying to go long to fill that gap because we already pumped so much today. Like ES is up. How big is this rally? 68.20 all the way to 6,900. So about $8 on SPY, 80 points on ES. You know, how much more does it have in it today? I mean, not much, if I had to guess. So I personally don't think we fill that gap today. Could it happen? I mean, absolutely. But yeah. Watch, they are going to pull this bitch back. Like I said, worst case scenario, just take a small loss today. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we just range. Did I say I was in shorts? No. I was watching them. I took them originally, but I stopped out a while ago. I was hoping to enter that CNQ this week, but I don't think we're going to be able to get that either. Yep, they're pulling it back. Damn it, dude. I just wanted it to close a little lower. And then we didn't really have any sell orders either, but see if they can start pulling it back. Good job, LBJ. Right at that ADMA as well. I mean, if we're going to trend up, it should bounce here. Yep. Turn up your speakers. If you can't hear me, my mic's moving. See if they lose this ADMA. I mean, if we pulled back, I don't really even have a thought that I'm interested in for a bounce. I'm just gonna ignore that sound from now on. Because based on the 15-minute, I'm leaning a little more bearish. QQQ is the only one holding above that daily gap. NQ is not, SPY is not, ES is not. So, I don't know. Still watching this. I mean, the only reason I would see up is because QQQ is holding above that gap. NQ is trying to get above it now, too. Would like to see a deeper pullback on ES on the 15 for some longs, potentially. But looks like they're buying it up. Hmm. I mean, maybe it does go fill the gap today. I don't know. Find it hard to believe that it will, but there's absolutely that potential. Give the market 15 more minutes. Nvidia and AMD are still strong. NQ's failing to get above that gap. I mean, if we get down to 86, wherever this ADMA is on the 15-minute, potentially be interested. I'm actually still surprised we haven't gotten a decent pullback. But I think I'm actually just going to call it here. If you guys want anything to watch this 15-minute ADMA right here. But I'm going to save myself the 15 minutes because I'm not really liking price action. So small red day today. Like I said, I positioned very small for that trade just because we've hit it previously and the market was pretty strong today, but still liked it enough to give it a try. Obviously just didn't work out. So two winning trades yesterday, one losing trade today. So still a good start to the week. Let's do it again tomorrow. Let's crush it. If you guys stick around and trade, obviously trade safe. But yeah, talk to everybody then. If you guys use TPT, Tradeify, or Apex, make sure to use discount code BRANDON, all caps. Get you the best possible discounts. But peace out, fam. Peace out, YouTube. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Again,